Hey all, Brian with Blackseed. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that button. Today, just kind of give you a shop update, and then we're going to drag the Chevy II out here a little bit later. Let's see, Christmas Day, so Friday, it was like 16 degrees here. Yesterday, Saturday, it was 55. So as soon as it got warm, I jumped on the trailer. We're trying to get a winch on it so that we move around some of these non-running projects. Today it started out, it's like 50 degrees. It's like 9:30 Sunday morning now. So just kind of want to give you a peek of what we're doing. And then a little footage on the Chevy II when we drag it out here in a little bit. I'm running it to a storage, and I'll go over the car in a little bit. It already has a front stub on it. Haven't set up rear suspension, still on the leaf springs, and but basically metal work is done, front subframe is done. LS is sitting over here in the corner for it. When I bring it back, I got another project to get out of the way first, and then when I bring it back, engine training will be ready for it, and rear suspension and stuff, and then we'll just go through the whole thing. But just wanted to show you the trailer update. So that's it. Don't zoom in too close on those welds. I'm pretty good at hot gluing and grinding, but so I'm putting a box on the front, and this, I keep this at a buddy's house, and he does paint and such, and I gotta call him into throwing some new paint on it, or some covering up some of that raw metal. But I was using a 2,500 pound winch, and some of these heavy cars it struggles on, so we upgraded. I caught a deal on a Smittybuilt winch on an auction, brand new winch, everything with it, 9,500 pound winch, and I picked it up for 170 bucks. So scored a deal on that bad boy. So quite a bit different. Got it all wired up. I think I'm just going to drop a dry cell in it, in the box, when I go somewhere. My other idea is put some terminals in the box that I can run some heavy duty jumper cables from the front of the truck all the way back. So let me know what you all do. What's a good thing to do here when running a heavy winch on a trailer? Do we use like an Odyssey AGM and just keep it charged up, and then when I go to a car show and I'm going to use it 3 times, I mean, I think they got a 90-minute reserve. Do I drop a battery in there, and at night do you take them to the hotel room and charge them up, throw them on a charger? Or is there another way? Maybe mock up the terminals, run them to the battery on the car. That's kind of how we had our last setup, but again, it was a small battery and probably wasn't running more than like 10 gauge wire, and we could just jump off of it. It'd pull slow, but just want to see how do I make this function well? How do I make this function well when I'm on the road, away and using it several times? So hit me up. All right, now a little bit of footage on the Chevy II. You can consider it a barn find if it's been sitting there for 3 years. $500 LS junkyard engine to decimate all. Has some goodies under the front. Ooh, there's something hiding there. this, and when they go out, it should free roll though. Hang on. Go ahead.
Triggers.
Clutches. So this will go the other way here in a minute.
Huh? Out goes out and goes towards me. Can I push it?
No. Free balling, wheeling.
This is the end.
Yep.
There's a whole bunch still.
I'll blow up.
You gonna take off the tonneau?
I got another truck.
Can I just try it? Can I try it?
Let me take this off too. Race car.
Can I try it?
What? No, not yet.
No. Flip the gauge to end.
Can I try it now?
No, you can't.
Guys, give me something and I want to do
Oh,
it.
you're taking both of them?
Maybe, well, that one didn't have. Well, put it on. See that?
I think Steven will be here by the time you guys have this one.
Yeah.
Because if she's coloring her hair, I don't care what you do, just do it. Okay.
You put it on now, and you gonna put it on the cross member?
You told me to put it in.
I turned the other way. What are you doing?
You told me.
Well, he was wrong. Oh,
Watch
watch
out
your
behind
hand, watch it.
Yep. Hit her. Stop. All right.
Do you really want me
Okay,
doing
scoot
this?
that board out.
I'm not going to be responsible for this.
Alrighty.
Slowly. What are you doing? You gotta watch.
I need safety glasses. What's that thing called
Safety
sometimes?
glasses.
Oh, that wouldn't matter.
Yeah, it'd take your head off. Yeah.
Yep.
Go ahead. Woo, hang on, stop. That bad boy moves that trailer. All right, go. All right.
You guys got to talk about it.
Go. Go, hang on, stop. Let's get the back end out a little more.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. Come on. Stop.
Yes, with his brother.
Go ahead. Stop. Come back this way. Oh, it's on my thing. Go. Stop.
I don't like this going.
Get over here.
Stop
I
it.
can't consent.
Go.
What's way easier? Yeah, go. Good here.
What?
I need to come this way at like 2 inches.
That way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
I can't go.
Go.
I can't. Am I?
Stop. Okay.
Okay, Brian's driving.
Backside looking. Okay, good.
You should have bought this a long time ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
Show you my winch master.
And then, what'd you call her?
The winch master. All right, going to the crusher. Them old Chevys. Them old Chevy Camaro Dart. Winchmaster, give us the thumbs up. So that's you got to see the new winch, dude. It's killer. It on that Chevy II, man. It was light. It was pulling it up, and I'm going, man, that thing's doing like 45 miles an hour. Also, we went and grabbed the same day, grabbed a first gen Bronco that I'm working on. It's in a whole lot of pieces right now. It's getting all the sheet metal, and it's saying right there, and it's got a lot of work. I'm gonna give you a quick peek. I got some videos coming up, but if you've made it this far watching my video, you deserve a quick peek. So it needs a lot. It's getting a lot. So we're basically going to rebuild 80% of that tub. So that's pretty cool. And my 65, I'm 5 or 6 weeks away from LST right now. I'm waiting on parts from Summit and Amazon and everywhere else just kind of wrap this thing up. It's very close to running. Brake system's very close. There's videos coming out real quick on it. Probably later this week. It's on the Willwood disc brake setup, so watch out for that. I'm going to give you a quick shot of this. And it's going to Lone Star. It may be in 1,000 pieces in the rear of my truck, or it's going to be in parts on the bed. But it's going to Houston with me. So fingers crossed. We'll get it there. So we'll get it there one way or another.